Good morning, guys. As another day of greens, and today is 22 degrees in the morning. So I'm right because I'm freezing, And here's on the machine, but I'm out here on the forklift, and it doesn't have a heater, so I'm cold. So will be here today at least until it warms up. I'm gonna warm up later. Gonna go up to 50, but that'll be at 4 p.m. You know how that is. So we are cleaning this mess right now, and then he's doing that right there, which I'm probably gonna have to do the next truck because he's leaving earlier. And look at that, man. I don't wanna do that. That looks like a disaster to me. Look at that. At least I'm glad he's doing that and not me. That's a real mess. Ah, what's up video primero? So we got this GMC today. It's a Sierra. Pretty sure we gotta take the bed out and the motor. We gotta take that tomorrow because it's raining today. Somebody already caught the fenders. And right there. So we're about to do that, but it's raining. Look all that. So we're gonna start and see how it goes. So we did it. We got the bed off and I drove it out here. I should record that, but I didn't. Maybe later because it's raining. So there you have it.
Ahí el brother jalando la Silverado antes de sacar el motor, sacándole el último caucho. Está bueno el motor, está bueno. Ahí está.
So after we got done with that truck, it started raining even harder, as you can see. So we have to come out here in a little tent that we found in the trash and build ourselves. This is one. There's another one right there, and then I have my fire going right there. You can see. To warm my clothes off because they get wet, and we gotta dry them somehow, right? I'm gonna get to this other tent right here. And that's my brother working on the machine right there. Because he doesn't want to get wet more, right? But I'm out here, and there he is. Say hello! Say hello! Right there, yeah, working. The working man. He's gonna do all of them right there. And see, it's raining. Look at that. I'm gonna wash our hands to make a soup. So let me get them all the thing. Right here is a little lower so I can stay close to the fire and warm myself up. And then we'll see what else we're gonna do next, because we'll probably stick around here doing all this air, because with this rain inside there ain't nothing to do. There's all the guys working out there, so we're gonna stick around here, I guess. Hopefully tomorrow's a better day to finish the truck. We're gonna take the engine out, but for now we just got down with the bed, came out here, and that's it. Anyways, we'll see what's next. So here we are. Now we're gonna take the engine out since it's been raining for a little bit. So it still has some power, still there. And then again, it's wet and a lot of oil, so that's why they spin that. It runs.
Está mojado, lo dicho.
Same thing. Anyways, we're gonna see if we can get it out in one piece. And this is a B6. I didn't know this had a B6. And here we go. And now we're gonna flip it back on her feet. And then we're gonna remove the the cab, which is the only thing left on it. And there goes the GMC Sierra. It saw better days in the past. Woohoo! Okay, I gotta go cut some wires, cables. And now we're just gonna hook it from here, take it out of here, and then separate the transmission from the motor, and it's for sale. And today we got two Nissans 240 right there. They're about to get crushed. Well, they weren't full cars, they were parts. And he's gonna kill them right now. Like somebody is working on some kind of project. I guess a 240 project, something like that. We got a tire right there of that one, and I don't know what has next. See what? Autovia. Let's see what we got right here. Mystery box. Oops. Let's check the mystery box. Look at that beauty. Pretty nice, isn't it? Chevy all day. Beautiful. The numbers are 3903352. It's not a 350, I know. I think I'm not expert, but pretty nice. They sold it for I think $5 for scrap. There's the old one. There's the headers. Lucky Jefe. So today we're gonna see if this one will run. I know they want the motor out of it, because as you see it roll over, so the engine is good. But it looks like it has 200,000 miles, and then when I get the engine out, but I want to make sure there's no lock, and we go from there. Now we have this Chevy. No, this is not Chevy. This is a Pontiac something. A Pontiac. Nice. I like it. Pontiac, and they have two more out there. Three more actually. That Jeep Laredo. We're gonna take the engine out of it, and we're gonna crush the rest. And to finish this video, thank you guys for watching, and until next time. For now, I'm out. We're gonna do this, destroy him, because it looks like it's gonna get cold. And there's the raza, yeah, working too. So we're gonna get it all done. And thanks for watching.